Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Is chanting absolutely necessary in the knowing?
That is the easiest way of being directly in touch with God. Because God and God's name is absolute. So you are chanting the name of God means you're directly in touch with God.
Why is that better than loving your fellow man and traditional bhakti marga?
But you love your fellow man, but you don't love your fellow animal. You love man, but you send the animals to the slaughterhouse. That is your love.
And the soldiers into the battle.
Huh?
And the soldiers into the battle to be killed.
Now first of all, study this man, then we go to soldiers. Our love is limited. But if you love, just like this tree, there are many thousand leaves and flowers. So if you water to each of them, then it will occupy the whole of your life. And if you are intelligent, just put water into the root. It will go away. And if you are not intelligent, go on putting water every leaf, every leaf. Your whole body requires food. That does not mean you have to supply food to the ears, to the eyes, to the nails, to the rectum, to the... No. Give food to the stomach. It will be distributed. So Krishna says, Maya tadadam sadvam. That we have already studied. So if you love Krishna, then your love will be distributed. If you don't love Krishna, and if you love somebody else, then somebody will cry that you do not love me.
May I ask you a question?
First of all, try to understand this.
I
Just like Krishna says, Maya tatamidam sarvam. I am expanded by my energy everywhere. So, everywhere how you can go? You love Krishna and your love will go everywhere. You pay tax to the government and the tax is distributed in so many departments. So it is not your business to go every department and pay tax. Pay to the treasury of the government, it will be distributed. This is intelligence. And if you say that why shall I pay to the treasury house? I shall pay this department, that department, that department, that department. You can go on, but it will never be sufficient. Neither complete. So you may love humanity, but because you do not love Krishna, therefore do not love the cows, you send them around. So your love will remain defective. It will never be complete. And if you love Krishna, then you love him, the small ant. He will not interested even to kill even an ant. That is real love.
I agree with you that we love very badly and we slaughter the animals.
So badly love is not love.
But is the converse true? That we chant very well and that we can love Krishna even when we cannot love our fellow people?
You are chanting, you are also working. It is not that. You're simply sitting down and chanting. Because you are chanting, therefore you are loving everyone. That's a fact. These Hare Krishna chanters, they never agree to kill any animal, even a plant, because they know everything is part and parcel of God. Why unnecessarily one should be killed? That is love.
Love means never killing?
There are so many things. It is one of the items. Yes, that's one. Do you kill your own son? Why? Because you love him.
Would you explain the other side of it? The fact that, of course, the Bhagavad-gita has its setting on a battlefield in which Krishna enjoins Arjuna to go out and fight his kinsman because it is his duty as a kshatriya.
Yeah. Because in the material world, for the maintenance of equilibrium of the society, sometimes killing is necessary, just like fight, war. When the enemy has come to your country, you cannot sit idly, you must fight. That does not mean that you are allowed to kill everyone as you like. That is special circumstances when fighting must be there. Therefore the Kshatriyas are required to give protection.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.